This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Buick Encore with a key. First, ensure you have your key fob. If your vehicle is locked, simply press the unlock button on your key fob once to open the driver's door. If the fob battery is low, you can use the hidden physical key. Insert this key into the driver's door lock cylinder and turn it clockwise to unlock the vehicle. This ensures you can always access your car. Once the door is unlocked, open it and get inside your Buick Encore, making sure to close the door firmly behind you. Now, direct your attention to the steering column, where you will find the ignition switch. Take your key and carefully insert it all the way into the ignition cylinder. It's crucial that the key is fully seated before you attempt to turn it, ensuring a proper connection. With the key fully inserted, place your right foot firmly on the brake pedal. This is a safety measure for starting. Next, turn the key clockwise to the on position. You'll see dashboard lights illuminate. Continue turning the key further clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine fully ignites, then immediately release the key. It will spring back to the on position. After your Buick Encore's engine has successfully started, take a moment to check your dashboard. Ensure that all warning lights, except for the seatbelt reminder, have extinguished. Adjust your seat and mirrors to your preferred driving position for optimal visibility and comfort. Finally, select the appropriate gear, such as drive or reverse, and release the parking brake. You are now ready to safely begin your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.